You can turn on your iPhone in 3 different ways. The first and easiest method is to plug your iPhone into a charging cable. If it does not respond right away or does not turn on, wait about 10 to 15 seconds and try again. It's best to use the original Apple cable and power adapter to charge your iPhone. Sometimes the issue may be with the charging port. In that case, try charging your iPhone using a wireless charging pad or a MagSafe charger. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you should see the Apple logo appear on the screen. The third easy method is helpful if your iPhone is stuck and the side button is not working to turn it on. In this case, you can force the iPhone to restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen after the black screen. If your iPhone is frozen or stuck, this method usually helps bring it back on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like this video to support the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.